Hey everyone, it's Darling here, and today I am super excited because today I'm going to be reviewing this right here. It's the InStyler. It's the 7X Smart Driver. This thing is amazing, let me just say. I did get this sent to me for free to try out and to review for you guys, so here is your review. This is the future of high styling, introducing new hand-free auto pause mode. On when you pick up and off when you set it down, which is awesome. I love this blow dryer. I'm going to read some of the claims that it has. It says it is extra quiet, extra shine, extra fast, extra lightweight, extra powerful, and extra smooth, and extra advanced. That's a lot of extras. This thing is seriously amazing. Let me go ahead and read the back. So this blow dryer is supposed to make you have shiny, smooth hair for all. Who wants frizzy hair? Exactly. 7 time has 7 times the ions, which results in smoother, shinier, healthier looking frizz-free hair. Our unique infinity dial lets you dial up for fastest drying. Dial down for more control as you finish your style. Fast, fabulous, silk, soft hair. You got the power. Okay, so I have been using this out for like almost a week now, and let me just say I'm in love. I already have a really good blow dryer. I have the Chi blow dryer. It's really good, and my husband actually bought it for me because he researched and tried to find the best blow dryer because mine went out, and he said I was being a good mommy. So the blow dryer that I have is amazing, and this one is actually better. So yeah. Okay, so what I love about this blow dryer, first of all, it comes with this attachment and it's magnetic. And I thought being magnetic that it would just come off, because I do have that problem with some blow dryers that I've had in the past where whenever you're blow drying, this just keeps coming off and coming off, so you have to keep picking it up. This does not. You really have to kind of tug on it. It's a really good magnetic. And I thought that that was awesome. The plug also has one of these on it, which is always really good to have, especially when you're using something electrical like this. You can turn up how fast you want the air to come out and how low you want it to come out. This right here is actually how hot you want it. It has a cooling thing, and unlike most coolers where you have to kind of hold it down to cool your hair, you just press it once and it stays cold. You don't have to keep pressing it. So the only thing that I did find tricky, which I'm starting to get used to it, is I used to hold it like this when I'm like trying to undercurl my hair, I guess you would say. And I can't do that with this blow dryer. So now I have to hold it like this, like the whole time I'm blow drying my hair. And at first it was a little hard for me to get used to. Now I'm used to it, so it's getting a lot easier. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in and just kind of show you how awesome this blow dryer is. Let me just say, how hard it blows out is seriously amazing, and it dries your hair so quick. Like, it normally takes me a little while to blow dry my hair, but this thing is amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in and just show you what I'm talking about. Okay, I have to plug it in this way. Okay. It also has LED lights, blue LED lights, which is awesome. So let me go ahead and turn it on. See, my hand wasn't on this. Wait. Okay, so you can see it turned off because my hand is not on it. You can see the LED lights when it turns on. So it actually senses just whenever you touch any part of the handle, except up here. So you don't even have to cover that. See, that's something I just learned, because I thought this was like the sensor, but no, it's when you put your hand completely around it. And then I'm going to show you just like how the settings are. I'm not going to be able to talk when this is on. It's not that loud. It's actually a lot more quiet than most blow dryers. So I'll just go ahead and show you how hard, and I'm going to adjust the wind to show you. Okay, as you can see, that's really intense. Let me go ahead and blow it, like turn it down. Oh my gosh. Okay. that's more mild. And then the cooling button is right here. You press it once and the air will come out cold, and you don't have to sit there and hold it down. It stays cold, and then if you want hot air, you just press it one more time, and the air will turn hot again. Look how awesome that looks like. I don't know if you guys can see the blue light in there. It's like really noticeable when you're looking at it. Such a beautiful blow dryer, but this thing is like seriously amazing. I'm in love. Like, okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off because I don't want it to keep turning on every time I hold it by the handle. But I mean, it does, you can buy other attachments. It only came with this one, but it does like have a diffuser that you can use. I usually just like round brush my hair. I take my brush and I just kind of do this after I blow it dry, and just kind of do that, and then I use the cool just to kind of keep it straight. So that is how I usually use it. I have curled my hair before with my round brush as well, and you can also use the diffuser. I don't ever do my hair curly, but if you do have curly hair, it does have it to where you can buy that. So it tells you where you can actually buy the diffuser. You go to InStyler.com, and it has a magnetic removable diffuser, if that is something that you are interested, but you do have to buy that separately. I don't know if they do sell like a combo to where you can have more attachments with it you can buy, but it did come with this one, like I said. So I'm gonna go ahead and read some of the manual things so that it tells you a little more about it. Okay, so it has the cool shot, like I said, infinity dial, precision control for customized airflow, which is this right here, which turns the air higher and then it turns the air lower. And I like how you can just sit there, one finger, and do that. That's really nice. And you can adjust the heat right here, like I said. LED temperature indicates light, so it tells you how hot the air is by these actually turn blue with LED lights. I'll show you. Wait. I don't know if you can see. See? So they're all on. And this is turning them off. And it's just LED lights. So they're all on. Okay, so right now they're all on, so that's the hottest that it gets. Okay, so it has a 9-foot power cord, as you can see. Super long, so you can run around with this. I think this would be great for professional hairstylist. It's ultra lightweight. It's super light. Okay, it says always unplug immediately after using. It does have a limited 1-year warranty, which is awesome. When you are using anything that you're using around a sink, a bathtub, you always need a GFCI outlet, just because it can save your life. It will save your life. If something happens and you are blow drying above a sink, and let's say the sink has water in it, and I've seen people do this before, and it like drove me crazy. On actually a YouTube video, I'm like, what are you doing? But they had their blow dryer plugged in next to their sink, and the sink had water in it. If something happens and your blow dryer falls into the water, it'll electrocute you to death. And this thing can save your life, because what it does is it turns off the electric. If something like that was to happen, it kicks off the electric, so in return saves you. So these are always really, really good. So you do not want to plug it in what I just plugged it in, but I'm not around water right now, into an outlet like this. You do not want to use something like this. It's better to use one with a GFCI, just so that it saves your life. So, and this is just better explaining. A GFCI is a sensitive device that reacts immediately to a small electric current leaked by stopping the electric flow. So you always want to plug in the dryer. You want to press the test button to make sure that it's working. And then you want to press the reset button and it'll pop this out and the application will stop working. Unplug the dryer and press the reset button. Then reinsert plug into outlet. If ALCI test button is not working, return dryer to nearest service center. If immersion occurs, bring out to service center and do not try to reset. Repeat the test every time you use the device. So you do want to test this out every time that you use this device, and it's just to potentially save your life, especially if you're a young person and you really don't know about stuff like this. It is very important to know. Electric and water do not mix. So yeah, I think that's pretty much everything that I have to say. I did also do my mother-in-law's hair with this and she loved it. It dries so much faster. Like, this thing is amazing. This thing is a monster. This is like, what do you call it? Like the Mercedes of blow dryers. Like, this is luxurious. And it does retail for, I think it's like $150. They sell it at Bed Bath & Beyond. I believe they do sell this at Bed Bath & Beyond. I really don't know where else they sell it. I was looking online and stuff. I really couldn't find a lot of places that sold this right now. I know that Bed Bath & Beyond does sell it. I've seen it on their website and it retails for $150, which is kind of expensive for a blow dryer. But honestly, like, how often do you buy a blow dryer? And this thing is so good. Like, honestly, if this thing breaks, I'm going to buy another one. I am now spoiled. But this thing is awesome. Like I said, it's the InStyler, as you can see, blow dryer. I also wanted to kind of show you like the on and off process. Like, when you turn it on and then you set it down, it does turn off. Watch. How awesome is that? It's eating my hair. Did you see that? Did you see my hair like flying into the propeller? I will have everything in the description box down below on where to get everything. As I said, I did receive this for free for testing out purposes, so. But that does not persuade in any way how I feel about it. I do like this, and it is now my favorite blow dryer. Yeah, so that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you haven't already, please like it, subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, God bless. I got the power. I got the power.